Kickstart your mornings with a Keto Jammy eggs breakfast that packs a punch. Combining chili butter, garlic yogurt, and perfectly cooked jammy eggs, this dish is a flavor explosion that fits right into your low-carb lifestyle. Easy, nutritious, and delicious. It's everything you need to fuel your day. Ingredient overview. Gather these simple ingredients: 3 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 10 ounces of Greek yogurt, lemon juice and zest from half a lemon, 1 clove garlic, 4 large eggs, salt, black pepper, and 2 tablespoons parsley. This breakfast is not only budget-friendly, but also rich in proteins, healthy fats, and vitamins, adhering to keto macros while offering a burst of flavors. Recipe steps breakdown. Step 1. Begin with the heart of the dish, the chili butter. In a saucepan, combine butter with a splash of olive oil over medium-low heat. Once melted and beginning to simmer, whisk in the red chili flakes. This simple step transforms the butter into a fiery, flavor-packed drizzle that will elevate the entire dish. Let it infuse for about a minute before removing from heat, setting it aside to await its grand entrance. Step 2. Next, create a smooth, tangy base for your eggs with the garlic yogurt blend. In a mixing bowl, combine freshly minced garlic with the zest and juice of half a lemon, adding these to rich Greek yogurt. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt and a twist of black pepper, stirring until well combined. This mixture lays the foundation of your dish, with its creamy texture and vibrant flavors. Step 3. Now onto the star of the show, the jammy eggs. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and gently lower in your eggs. Timing is key. 6.5 minutes is the sweet spot for achieving that perfectly oozy, jammy center. After boiling, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath to halt the cooking process, ensuring that ideal consistency. Once cool, peel the eggs, revealing their ready-to-eat beauty. Step 4. It's time to assemble. Start with a generous smear of the garlic yogurt blend on a plate, creating a bed for the eggs. Cut the eggs in half to expose their jammy centers, arranging them artfully atop the yogurt. Finish with a generous drizzle of the chili butter, ensuring each egg half gets a touch of that spicy richness. Sprinkle chopped parsley over the top for a fresh, herbal contrast, and serve with slices of toasted keto bread to round out this satisfying, flavorful meal. Serving suggestions. This Keto Jammy eggs dish serves 4, ideal for sharing or meal prep. Accompany with keto bread for a satisfying breakfast or brunch. Leftovers store well in the fridge, making future meals easy and quick. Customize the level of spiciness or add veggies like avocado slices for extra nutrients and flavors. Conclusion. In just 20 minutes and for under $5, enjoy a spicy, savory keto breakfast that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This Keto Jammy eggs recipe proves that starting your day keto style doesn't mean skimping on flavor or spending a lot. It's a breakfast revolution waiting to happen in your kitchen. Tried this spicy, savory breakfast twist? We'd love to hear your thoughts or see your own takes on this recipe. Share in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick and nutritious meal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more keto-friendly recipes. Stay tuned for more delicious ways to keep your mornings interesting and your diet on track.